Living Flame number 42. Most blessed are you. We are celebrating the feast of the visitation of the Blessed Virgin Mary, and we look at Luke chapter 1. When Elizabeth heard Mary's greeting, the infant leaped in her womb, and Elizabeth, filled with the Holy Spirit, cried out in a loud voice and said, "Most blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb." Most blessed are you. This is the greeting of Elizabeth to Mary. Bukod kang pinagpala sa babaeng lahat. Ngayon, tayo ay nagagalak sa pagdalaw ni Maria sa kanyang pinsan na si Elizabeth. At tinatapos din natin ang Marian month of May. At marami ngayon ang mga sagalaw, Flores de Maria, mga prosesyon. At dapat lang magandang tapusin ng buwan ng Mayo sa pagpaparangal sa ating mahal na Inang Maria. And there's no other tribute greater than the tribute of Elizabeth to the Blessed Mother. Most blessed are you. Pero hindi lang naman si Maria din ito. Alam natin na lahat din tayo ay pinagpapala ng Panginoon. This greeting of Elizabeth to Mary can very well be applicable to all of us as well. Maybe not in the same degree or not in the same manner, but we also are blessed in one way or another. We must also realize that we are most blessed. There are so many blessings in our life. And this is what we celebrate every day. And this is also a living flame that gives light and guidance and hope in our life. I am blessed. We are blessed. In so many ways, God is blessing us. And He does not abandon us or forget us. God does not forsake us. Kaya sa pagtatapos natin ng buwan ng Mayo, papasok na ang panibagong buwan ng Hunyo, magandang tingnan sa ating mga sarili ngayon. Halos ang ating 2025 ay nasa kalagitnaan na. At tayo siguro ay may mga pinagdadaan ng mga pagsubok ngayon o mga problema. At hindi rin naman natin maiiwasan na tayo ay malungkot, magalit, o kaya tayo ay magkimkim ng sama ng loob, o tayo kaya ay mawala ng gana sa ating pananampalataya o sa ating buhay panalangin. These are all understandable if we are going through severe trials and hardships in our life. But on the other hand, kapatid, kailangan ding tingnan natin ang buhay sa mga mata ni Elizabeth. Ang sabi ni Elizabeth, "Who am I that the mother of my Lord should come to me?" Sino ako para dalawin ng ina ng aking Panginoon? You are the most blessed among women. But how come you are here visiting me? I'm just a lowly, old person or old elderly lady. Of course, this greeting and this visitation and encounter between Elizabeth and Mary happened in a very simple way. No fanfare. Wala naman hong trompeta o banda na sumadubong kay Maria pagdating sa Incarem sa tahanan ni Elizabeth at Zacarias. Hindi naman po gano'n na may sumusunod na camera kay Mary sa kanyang pagdalaw sa kanyang pinsan. No. They were not living in the time of Instagram or YouTube or Facebook. This encounter happened in silence. This happened in a very simple way in that house of Incarem of Elizabeth and Zechariah. But this simple encounter changed the world for us. This simple encounter changed everything for humanity. Because remember, Mary was the only one who knew that the message of the angel Gabriel was true. This is just right after the Annunciation. And Mary wanted to verify if the Annunciation of Gabriel to her, telling her that Elizabeth was also pregnant, was true. Kaya naman ho nagpunta ng Incarem si Maria, hindi lang naman ho para tulungan si Elizabeth. Sa totoo lang po, nagpunta siya para gusto niya ring i-validate o gusto niya ring ma-verify na totoo ba talaga ang sinabi ng anghel sa kaniya, na siya ay nagdadalang tao at ang kanyang daladala ay ang anak ng Diyos at ang kanyang pinsan ay nagdadalang tao. In this encounter between Mary and Elizabeth, the good news of the Incarnation has been shared, has been announced. Hindi natin alam kung alam na ni Jose ang sitwasyon. But in all probability, hindi pa. Kasi hindi pa rin naman sigurado si Maria na totoo ba talaga yung sinabi ng anghel. Kaya itong kwentuhang ito ni Maria at Elizabeth, ito ay kwentuhan na nagbukas ng mabuting balita sa ating kasaysayan, sa sangkatauhan. The blessing, the presence of God in the Incarnation is now here. And Mary is most blessed to deliver this good news to Elizabeth.